Have you ever wondered how your favorite music tracks are produced, how those catchy beats are constructed, or how those sublime melodies find their way into your headphones? Well, you're about to embark on a journey that may well change the way you perceive music forever. Welcome to the fascinating world of music production, a realm where creativity meets technology, where ideas transform into sonic realities. It's a place where you too can craft your own audio masterpieces once you understand the basics. Music production is a multifaceted process, often beginning with the spark of an idea. This might be a melody, a rhythm, or even a lyrical concept. It's up to the producer to take this seed and nurture it into a fully grown sonic experience. One crucial aspect of music production is sound design. This process involves creating unique sounds for your track, from the thumping bass line to the crisp snare drum. With modern software, you can sculpt sounds in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Then there's the art of mixing. This is where all the individual elements of a track, the drums, the bass, the vocals, and more, are balanced and blended together. A well-mixed track can make the difference between a good song and a great one. Mastering, on the other hand, is the final step in the production process. It involves fine-tuning the overall sound of a track to ensure it sounds its best on all playback systems. And let's not forget about arrangement. This is the process of deciding where each part of the song will go. It's like piecing together a puzzle, making sure each element fits perfectly to create a cohesive and engaging musical narrative. Of course, these are just the basics. The world of music production is vast and ever-evolving, with endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. And with the right knowledge and tools, you can be a part of it. So, why not take the plunge? Why not dive headfirst into the world of music production and see where your creativity takes you? You might just discover a passion you never knew you had, or unlock a potential you never knew existed. Hit the subscribe button now and begin your own music production journey. Step up to the plate, take control of your musical destiny, and start creating the tracks that you've always dreamed of. The world is waiting to hear what you've got.